Font Awesome is one of the third-party library which provides plenty of icons which can be used in the buttons and at different places in the website. Really, adding the icons in the website is a great idea to attract the user and to make the website understandable and expressive to the user. In the earlier days of the web, images are used for icons. But the problem is, the images take much time to load into browser. So that is the reason from the past few years, the icons are generated based on the fonts instead of images, because the fonts load faster than images. In order to use the Font Awesome, first you require to load the CSS file of Font Awesome from the CDN link of Font Awesome. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. That means an online link which provides essential library files, that is either CSS file or JavaScript file. After importing the library CSS file of Font Awesome, you can start using the Font Awesome icon anywhere in the current working web page by writing a small tag, maybe a span tag, or B or I tag. And in the class attribute, you can add FA, which means Font Awesome, and then space, then add the icon name. So in place of this span tag, the icon will be appear. Because the font files are available in the CDN itself, those will be loaded into the browser. Internally, based on the Font Awesome fonts, the icon will be appear in the browser. In the Font Awesome library, there are around 1500 free fonts and more than 7000 pro fonts which are commercial. In the codes project, I would like to add the icons for the seasons, that is summer, winter, etc. So in order to use the Font Awesome icons, add a link tag in order to load the CSS file into the browser. And in the href attribute, you have to specify the Font Awesome CDN link, that is use.fontawesome.com/releases some version number /css all.css. And specify the relation between the CSS file and HTML file as style sheet. Anyway, you will understand how to make external style sheet in the later sections of the course. Now refresh the page in the browser. Press the keyboard shortcut F12 in order to open the developer tools and click on the network tab and again refresh the page. You can notice that the browser made a request to use.fontawesome.com and loaded the CSS file which provides the fonts. So now the Font Awesome is available in the current working HTML file. So you can start using the Font Awesome icons. So go to the season heading and then add a span tag. You can also use the I tag. I tag is for italic text actually. And now add the class attribute in the span tag. In order to invoke the Font Awesome, add the class FA, which indicates in this place some icon should be appear. And then space. Then add the icon name, that is FA-sun, that invokes the sun icon. And now you can see the icon appear at the left side of the heading. So you may wonder, how do you know the icon name? I will provide the link where you can find the list of icons that are available in the Font Awesome. Now repeating the same span tag in the winter, but specify the icon name as a cloud. So you can notice the cloud icon. So in the same way for the rainy, you can add the icon called cloud-sun. So that is look like this. Sorry, I wish cloud-rain instead of cloud-sun. Now adding the icon for spring, that is cloud-sun. So the icon look like this. Like this, in the projects, you can use any icon in the buttons or everywhere. I will show how to add the icons in the buttons later in the Forms section. For icon reference, you can go to the fontawesome.com and click on Icons. There you can find the list of available icons. Click on Free to see only free icons. So as you can see, there are so many icons available. So these are the available fonts. You can use any of these fonts just by writing the icon name in the span tag that is here. For example, you want the YouTube icon, so icon name is YouTube. So you can write the icon name that is FA-YouTube. FA- is a common prefix for all the icons. This is all about Font Awesome icons in CSS3.